Use this simple method and get your YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. Believe me, follow up this method, it will work. Now, log into your YouTube channel. Within 3 days, you are going to get your 1,000 subscribers. Search for Fingers Fact. Once you get this Fingers Fact, look for the most viewed video in their channel. Then collaborate with that video. Let me show you how. Just look for a most viewed video in their channel. Then click in it. Once you click in it, then go to this collaborate. No, this one is not working. Change to the another one. This one doesn't have collaboration. This one also doesn't have collaboration. This one also doesn't have collaboration. Look for the one that has collaboration. You're going to get to that one very soon. Look for the one that has collaboration. Look for the one that has collaboration. This one doesn't have to. It doesn't have. I think the next one we have collaboration. The next one we have collaboration. Look for the one that has collaboration. Look for the one that has collaboration. This one doesn't have to. This one has collaboration. You can see it down. The last in that line. Click on it. Then go to this collab. You see collab. Go to that collab. Click on it. Then you have to choose how many seconds you want it to be. I choose the 55 seconds. You can see it. You can see how I draw it. Then click on next. Once you click on next, wait for it. Wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. You have to collaborate with them so that you are going to get your 1,000 subscribers within few days. I got about 2K subscribers in a day, self. In a day, I got 2,000 subscribers in a day. So as it is now, you can change it in any format you want it to be. Whether you want the video to be at the top when you are below, or the right side, you can check it down. You can see it to be at the right, or the top, or below. So have you seen it now? Then you choose one and then click on the good. Yes, then click on the red button to record. You can be reacting as the record is going on, as the video is going on. Make sure you are reacting to the video. Make sure you are reacting to the video as it is going on. Make sure you are reacting to the video as it is going on. So follow it up. Make sure you are reacting. Make sure you are reacting to the video. Make sure you are reacting to the video as it is playing. As it is playing, make sure you are reacting so that YouTube will know that you are a human being, not a robot. So you follow it up. Make sure you are reacting until the video is done. Now the video is almost done. Yeah, it is done. Then you click on next. Wait for it. Click on next. Wait for it. 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 As it is processing, it's already processing, almost done. So I promise you this method will work for you. In as much as getting to 1K subscribers is involved, it will work for you. It worked for me in my first channel and second channel. Then put caption. Put caption, any caption at all that is attractive, and then make sure you add your hashtag, something like hash shorts. As simple as that. As simple as that. Yes, how many fingers did you put down? Question mark. Then hashtag shorts. Have you seen it now? As simple as that. Then click on upload shorts. Have you seen it now? Click on upload shorts. As you click on upload shorts, you wait for it. It will upload. It will upload. Once it is done uploading, just check back within next 3 to 4 hours, you see how many subscribers that will be flowing you to that particular video. I promise you, this thing worked for me, and I know it will work for you. Subscribe to this channel if you found value in this video.